Look closely at this photograph. Watch as it comes alive.
'Cause all of me loves all of you.
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the
What would art be like without emotions? It would be empty. What would our lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?"
You will become.
Όταν
This seamless transformation is the magic of ByteDance's OmniHuman One. You can see it handles audio cues, beautifully expressing emotions with speech that feels incredibly natural, just like a real person.
You will become. And I know about this because I had the opportunity to stand on top of the Olympic podium and feel the weight of that gold medal around my neck. And I wouldn't have been there had it not been.
And look at how fluid the body movements are, mimicking gestures with precise accuracy. Notice the hands, not just basic arm movements, but subtle natural renderings that capture every detail. This level of precision extends to emotional nuances, making each animation uniquely expressive.
Όταν κάποιος είναι ερωτευμένος, μπορούμε να πούμε την έκφραση «τον πονάει το δοντάκι».
See how audio and video cues work perfectly in sync, guiding each movement and creating a seamless experience that looks truly lifelike. This isn't just about facial expressions, it's a full body motion experience.
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, aren't we all on the same team?
The brilliance of OmniHuman One comes from a groundbreaking training strategy, a mixed conditioning approach that integrates diverse datasets. This allows it to overcome previous data limitations, enabling stunningly realistic human animations all from a single image. Imagine the possibilities. For content creators and independent filmmakers, it means high-quality animations without massive budgets. Virtual assistants could become more engaging and lifelike. Interactive storytelling could feel like an actual conversation with a friend. Of course, there's always responsibility with such powerful technology. The research team takes ethical concerns seriously, especially the risks of deepfakes, ensuring all demo data is responsibly sourced.
我不后悔遇见你，更不后悔喜欢上你。谢谢你给我带来的快乐，只希望你每天都开心。
希望我的小猫永远健康，永远快乐，长命百岁，好不
OmniHuman
好？
One is still in its research phase, but the promise is undeniable. What you see here isn't just a technical breakthrough, it's a glimpse into the future of animation where creativity meets cutting-edge technology to bring imagination fully to life.
Parce que j'ai toujours habité à Paris et dans tous les cas, j'aime beaucoup la capitale, il y a tout.
According to the research, OmniHuman introduces a groundbreaking framework that can generate human videos from just a single image combined with motion signals, whether that's audio, video, or both working together. One of the key innovations is the multimodality motion conditioning mixed training strategy. This helps the model scale up with mixed conditioning data, overcoming the limitations older methods faced due to the lack of high-quality data. What's really impressive is how much better OmniHuman performs compared to past methods. It generates highly realistic human videos, even when the input signal is weak, especially with just audio. And it works with images of any aspect ratio portraits, half-body or full-body shots, still delivering lifelike, high-quality results. The attention to detail in motion, lighting, textures, and other elements is incredible. And all of this is done using just a single image and audio, except for one demo that combines video and other signals. Hey, if you enjoyed that deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. There's so much more coming up. Trust me, you'll want to be part of this journey. See you in the next one.
哦嘿，你们是怎么发现我的？虽然我知道这样说有点不合适，但是为了你们的健康着想，希望你们记得多吃蔬菜。